are putting together a high ticket offer for the first time and want to stop guessing and have valid proof of people caring about your coaching topic, then this video is for you. Because the truth is that a high ticket pricing must give a high value service in exchange. And to give a high value service, working with real customer feedback to create viable results is essential. Because the problem you solve for one real person shows the quality of your service. And such a high quality service that brings significant transformation has a high price. And it cannot come into existence using guesswork to find your niche or using fictional customer avatars. We don't have to be this way as people starting a business. There is a better way, and that is evidence-based research leveraging the power of direct customer feedback. If this is something that resonates with you, then give me the next 5 minutes and I will show you what you could do now to get rid of the dilemma of thinking if what you are putting together as a coaching offer is a good idea or not, and find people who are current leaders in similar topics as yours so that you can make sure that you are on your way to creating a high value service and people care about this topic. And just as a gift for watching this video, drop me a line below and I will send you my step-by-step process that you can use to find a 100K plus niche market segment for creating your first high ticket offer. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Deepti Daryanani, the creator of Customer Confidence Program that has had a close to 90% success rate in helping new coaches solve a viable problem. In every single video, you can expect insights and quick and easy ways to learn and discover a viable market niche for your first high-ticket, high-value service. And in this video, you learn what you could do now to get rid of the dilemma of thinking if what you are putting together as a coaching offer is a good idea or not, and find people who are current leaders in similar topics as yours so that you can make sure that you are on your way to creating a high value service and people care about this topic. Let's say a new coach is wanting to put together an offer and the coaching topic is self-sabotage. Now imagine this offer topic to be like a fan that has 3 blades. The center of the fan is where you see the coaching topic. And each of the 3 blades are the topic's industry, result, and technique. For example, the topic of self-sabotage comes under the industry personal development or under self-esteem space. The result this coaching topic could have is to stop self-sabotage. And the technique that this coach uses to stop self-sabotage could be EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. Now that the coaching topic is clarified in 3 different ways, having 3 variations of words and phrases, it will help this new coach to go on Google, type in the phrases and find people who run podcasts on the same topic, and it will reveal all followers, subscribers of this topic, which indicates they care about this topic and it matters to them. This sort of evidence-based research will help clarify the coaching topic from different angles. It would help in identifying current topic leaders, how they connect with their audience, and it would also help to discover large groups of people who care about this topic. When you have this proof-based market feedback by your side, you would be able to get rid of all guesswork and would be better equipped to create a high-value offer for those of you who would like to pursue that. And if you'd like a step-by-step process to finding a 100K plus niche market segment for creating your first high-ticket offer, drop me a line below and I'll send it to you for free just for watching this video. Thank you, and